Yo, yo, it's Zach Bradshaw, the Greensboro SEO Pro, back once again to wax poetic about SEO. In this video, we're going to go over Google Analytics user permissions, just a quick little overview on how to give those permissions away. If you have a Google Analytics account, all you really need to do is go to analytics.google.com, and as long as you're logged in, or if you're not logged in, all you have to do is log in. It'll go ahead and bring you directly into the dashboard, and you'll have one of your views selected, one of your properties and one of your accounts. For the vast majority of business owners, are only going to have the one account, the one property, and maybe a couple of views somebody set up, but probably still just one view. All you need to do once you're in this dashboard is come down here to admin. And again, because there's this account hierarchy where you have accounts with properties inside them with views inside those, Google Analytics offers user management at all these levels, and it really has the same options, but it gives you a little bit more granular control to decide who has access to what. So if you're doing this for me, you probably just need to do it at the account level, depending on how sophisticated your knowledge of Google Analytics is and how well you're managing it. You can add user groups. That's a conversation for another video. All you need to do here is go to add permissions, and you just do it by email address. So in this case, I want to add my Greensboro SEO Pro email. I'm going to turn off notify new users by email, but in the vast majority of cases you want to keep that on. This is just another one of my accounts, so it makes sense for me not to notify myself. All I'm going to need to do is change my user in Google up here at the top. So these options down here, if you just are having somebody come look in and maybe give some advice, read and analyze is, fine. I would generally skip that though, because Collaborate allows people to bring in different dashboards, put annotations on things and whatever else. Maybe if you really don't want them making their mark, then you can leave it at read and analyze. But for the most part, most people, I think, Collaborate is fine. And if you're a complete novice and you have an expert coming in to do things for you, you probably want to add edit, and if they have a team, you probably want to add manage users. Obviously the more permissions you give somebody, the more risk you're putting yourself at, but if they have more skills, then there's more that they can do for you. And again, you can set these at the account level. So now that I've done this right here, these same permissions will be set across all the properties within this view, and all the properties within this account, and all the views within this property, and the corresponding settings within at those levels are also accessible because I gave myself essentially full permissions across the whole thing. So that's it for this video. I'm not going to go too far, rambling on about these different things. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and drop them below. Say all those things YouTubers are supposed to say, like, comment, share, whatever. And I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Peace.